How to kiss your boyfriend to make him crazy. Make strong eye contact before kissing to build a connection. Use subtle touches like holding his jacket or pulling him in by the hips to create intimacy. Delay gratification by pausing briefly before initiating the kiss for added anticipation. Avoid bumping noses by being possessive and holding on to him. After a great kiss, continue with light touches and eye contact to signal you're not done. Explore passionate kissing techniques, including using your tongue and matching movements. Get playful by kissing sensitive spots like earlobes, jaw, neck, and shoulders. Experiment with temperature sensations, like cool kisses on his neck or sipping something hot. Humming while kissing can create unique sensations, so play around with different pitches. Keep your hands moving and explore his body to avoid coming across as stiff. If he seems awkward, guide his hands or communicate about desires for a better experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.